Why do your employees need cybersecurity training? One of the easiest ways a virus, malware, or more common ransomware can infect your computer's network is through an uninformed employee. Training your employees to recognize the most common cyber threats and how they can avoid them can really benefit your organization's IT security and teach your staff how to understand potential scams and phishing attempts and react to them. There are many ways you can train your employees. For example, bringing an expert to your company or creating an educational video and sharing it with everyone in your organization via email. Regardless of which method you choose, it is very important that your employees are aware of the responsibilities and risks of using a computer on a commercial network, as a simple click on the wrong site can have worse consequences for your business than you can expect. To start, we always recommend starting by explaining what phishing is, a type of malicious message, SMS, or email used by many illicit organizations to impersonate a legitimate organization. Lately, one of the most common phishing attacks is a would-be attacker will use LinkedIn to find a high-level employee, like a CEO name, and create a spoofed email that looks identical to the corporate email, and then send an email that looks similar to the following. Hi, employee. I'm in a meeting and can't talk right now, but I need you to run out and get X number of gift cards and send me the pictures of the number and activation codes. In most cases, the perpetrators of phishing usually use email addresses or SMS texts very similar to the addresses they are trying to imitate, with some character differences which makes them even more difficult to recognize. Most employees, unless trained, could very well see that this came from their boss because the name appears correct. But a trained employee will know to look further at the actual email address and will note that it is not from their company domain. Secondly, a trained employee would know to go to the source and verify. Trying to come up with a cybersecurity plan is key to the security of your business, but that also can be very difficult. This is why we developed our cybersecurity training program, which includes monthly mini videos as well as simulated phishing emails to test your employees. Each month, we will send statements so you know exactly which employees need further training. For more information, check out the link below so our team can start helping you straight away. Thanks for watching. Until next time.